Hello Blasian Gang, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, thank you for joining us. And if you are returning, thank you for always being loyal. Anywho, what are we doing today? We are unboxing the Boxycharm for the month of June. This is going to be the premium box, so if you guys want to see what I got and how I'm going to use it, stay tuned. It is Tuesday, June 23rd. While I film this, it is very late for this box. Shame on you, Boxycharm. I really think you guys should start sending out the boxes 1 week before the next month. So let's say shipping for July, you should start shipping that a week before July starts. But hey, that ain't none of my business. You keep doing you. I'm gonna keep doing these videos. Before we get started with this box though, I wanna mention two things. Blasian Gang. Why I started calling you guys that? Because my homie, Omi the homie, started calling you that in my comments. I thought it was super cute, so I definitely stuck to it. And if you guys want to check out his channel, I will leave his information right here. He does reaction videos, hilarious content. Make sure you guys show him some love after this video. And while I was recording my last two videos, I noticed how washed out I look. Like I was in my sister's words, casket ready. Yo. It's because I got a tan. You guys can see my tan lines, and I didn't realize how much of a tan I got, and I was doing my makeup like it was still winter. So those last two videos that I have uploaded, actually by the time you guys watch this video, it's only one video that's public, the other one's still private. But excuse my makeup. I look like Casper. On to what we are here for, the video. So if you guys haven't noticed, my face is already done. I did do this on Facebook Live, and if you guys haven't added my makeup page on Facebook yet, make sure you guys go do that. I'll leave the information here. And we did that on live. So I did my eyes, I did my foundation, face, I did a little blush, and I did a little bronzer. But stuff in this box I left off. So let's start with the card. It tells you exactly what items you got, what they do, and how much they value for. This month's theme is called the Oasis. And then I got the box variation number 36. In the bottom left, bottom right hand corner of your card, it always has a little number, and it'll tell you the variation number. So if you have like makeup groups, or if you chit chat with your girlfriends, they'll be able to tell you, like, you know what I'm saying. Fill in the blank. So the first item on here is this, a Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I'm very excited about this because retinol is gold for your skin. You guys know I'm doing a skincare routine that I just started, and if you don't know, I am working on my skin. I don't need your advice. I am trying new things out on myself, but I appreciate your commentary. Anyways, this values for $49. So if you don't know, if you don't know, Boxycharm Premium is $35 each month plus tax. You get it 5 to 6 items, something like that. And the value is way past the price that you're paying. So basically you're getting all those items at a cheaper price. It's up to you, really, if you want the premium, deluxe, or just the Boxycharm basic. They do have all those choices online for you to take a look at. And if you do want to sign up, I do leave my code in the description on all my videos, so you can always use that code to get started. This is $49. I did not try it yet. Obviously it's unopened. I am saving this for mask night, skincare night, whatever. So I'm gonna put that to the side. And then the next item we got here is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. Do you know how excited that I got this? How excited I am that I got this? Excuse my English. I already did open it because I had to smell it, of course. So she's hefty, like she does feel really heavy. And this is valued at $44. And she smells like chocolate. So it looks just like this. There is a mirror as well. And then you get 3 contour shades and 3 highlight shades. The only thing I don't like is a little disrespect here. The deep highlight, what color? Why is that orange? I mean, I know color is correct, but that's not, Too Faced. You need more black women on your committee because, I don't know. Okay, so what we're gonna go do is go ahead and contour our face. So right now I'm in between contour brushes. I'm kind of deciding which one I like better, but we're gonna start. I'm gonna go in with a medium contour, and I'm just gonna put it on my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collection brush. This is the JH05, and I'm just gonna go in and just follow my cheekbone, and she's muddy. Why is it every time I get on YouTube to record something, it's a hot mess? But you know what? My lives are a hot mess. My Instagram's a hot mess. My life's just, a hot mess. But you guys continue watching, so I'm just gonna plop it on. It can't be that bad. I'm so disappointed because I really do like this kit. I've always wanted this kit. Kind of like it's muddy, like it's ashy, like this is not chocolate colors. You guys need a chocolate friendly female to show you what chocolate actually is, Too Faced. But I'm gonna leave it alone. I said I'm not gonna drag nobody. I don't contour my nose that often. I'm actually kind of scared to, since these colors are a little muddy. But this is the Morphe with Jaclyn Hill collection, and this is the JH10 brush, and I'm going to go in with the light contour, and I'm going to lightly contour my nose. And I don't contour my nose that strong because I like my nose shape, but what I go in is on each side of the bridges, and I just lightly dust it. And okay, so now that I'm contoured, I'm kind of a little muddy. I don't know if you guys could see it on your end, but on my end, this is not a friendly color for my face. So the next thing is the Kat Von D Vegan Beauty Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. I did do purple because I knew the lipstick that I got was a deeper purple. I've never used Kat Von D's lipsticks before. I've heard good things, but I also heard that it's drying. But we're only lining my lips with this. So it looks, I don't know, is this a full size? Has to be the full size, $20. No. So we're gonna go ahead and line my lips with this color, and I'm going to put a different color in the middle. So I got the lipstick on a lipstick brush. I don't know the name of this brush. I actually got it in Boxycharm. I got it in my Ipsy subscription when I did have Ipsy. I did cancel Ipsy a while ago. I don't think I will ever sign up for Ipsy again. That my lips are lined with this color, I am gonna go ahead and pick a color to go in the middle, and we'll be right back. Okay, now that my lips are done, I just went in with a nude in the middle. You guys know how I am about my nudes. If you guys are new, you guys will learn how I am about my nudes. I love nudes. I either wear a really dark lip, something mixed with a nude, or a really red lip. That's just me. The lipstick's not so bad. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I guess I would have to wait to tell you guys how I actually feel about it. But let's move on to the next item. Is called the $1 Billion Brows Sculpting Duo Brush.
Bruh.
That's not right. The card says I have a brush, but in this box I have the Kat Von D liner. What if I unbox this and I moved items to the other box? Ooh. Well, I guess you guys are gonna have to see how I use that brush tomorrow. When I upload the Boxycharm Luxe box for June. Such a silly person. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the last product before I do the liner, because you guys know liner takes forever. This is the Skin & Co. Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. It says lemongrass with like orange. I don't know how I feel about that. I really hate lemongrass. Yes, I am an Asian that hates lemongrass before you say anything. But it's gonna go in my shower because the way they sent it to me, it already looks like it's open, and I'm not gonna put that in a giveaway. So the seal is like on the, and I'm gonna just try it out and see how it works. So I'm gonna go off camera. I am gonna use a Kat Von D liner that I've never used before, so I'm really excited to use it. It says shake well, or shake it, and then it looks like this. It is like a it's kind of like a felt tip, but it's not dry like a felt tip because it's a liquid. So it's long wear matte eyeliner. Excuse me. I don't like a matte finish on the eyeliner. I'd rather see like a shinier, kind of like a mid, like a matte and shiny, so it looks natural. But I'm not gonna go crazy with the wing. I'm just gonna give us a little line because I'm gonna put on a pair of lashes that I was gifted from Oola Lash. Before I start with this liner, I forgot to mention that shower gel was $22.
What?
And the $1 billion brow sculpting brush, whatever, is $30. But obviously it's not here, and I won't be able to tell you how much the Kat Von D liner is because it's supposed to be in my other box. So you guys are just gonna have to tune in tomorrow to figure out the price. So make sure you guys ring that notification bell so you guys get a notification when the next video goes up. Okay, so I haven't done my other eye yet, and I'm already disappointed with this. One, it's very, very, very matte. So as soon as you do it, it dries. So if you don't want your color to bleed on your eyeliner, like you want it jet black, this is not it. I have the Kat Von D liner pen. That baby is a good one. But if you guys don't mind like a little color payoff, like if you're wearing, you know, like a shimmer, it's gonna go on your liner. This is for you. And if you want something really, really small, like the tip to be really small, this is it. But if you do a thicker liner, do not purchase this. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye, and then okay guys, this is the final look. I did go ahead and pop on those lashes, but let's talk about the Boxycharm, and then we will talk about the lashes after. So for this Boxycharm, overall, I don't know, I'm half and half, because I was really excited that I got the Too Faced contour kit, but then I put it on and I'm like, this is not mixed girl, this is not black girl friendly. Like, it's not, I'm sorry. Too Faced, if you guys see this, you guys gotta work on that. Maybe it's the products that I used mixed with it, I don't know. You guys comment below if you guys ever used the Too Faced contour kit, Cocoa contour kit. Let me know how you guys feel about it. Kat Von D liner, that is going to be a no for me, and not for $22 or $30 or whatever it was, because it's not even on this card. If you are trying to get into small spots though, it's definitely the one you should be reaching for. Now the lipstick, I am liking it, very creamy. I like the color. Obviously I mixed it with a nude shade, but so far so good. What else did we get? That shower gel, you know, whatever, it's a shower gel. I don't know how it's gonna feel on my skin until I take a shower, which is going to be after this video, so I will let you guys know how that feels. And then the glow recipe, I'm very excited for this. I'm really hoping this does not let me down. Retinol, avocado, hopefully this will be a 5-star item. I will go in on Influencer and read some reviews after this though. If you guys want to join Influencer, make sure you guys go into my description and I have my link there that you guys can get started and start making your own reviews. It's just a huge community. It's not just beauty, it's food, it's household items, electronics, all that good stuff. So I guess that's it for the Boxycharm, but let's talk about these lashes. So I was DM'd on Instagram, and this company called Ola Lash NYC. I did say it's slow because you guys know me, I'll mess up the name. They asked me to review a pair of their lashes, so I chose the Ola Jess, and that is a style that I have on right now. And let me tell you something, they are $15. These lashes are really, really cute. Like, they're nice and fluttery. I'm going to zoom in for you guys to take a look at. And she also sent me, I don't want to say she because I don't know 100% for sure, but the company sent me their lash kit. It's the Ola Lash Kits. It is $35. It includes a eyelid cleanser, a dual lash glue, the lash brush, which is really cute because it's like a glitter brush, and then it comes in a container, very sanitary, and it comes with a lash applicator tool. I don't use it, but I use it on my clients for some of my difficult clients, and I always use the rest of these items more for my inventory. So I'm going to give you guys a amazing shout out for that. You guys did a great job. This is beautiful. The only thing I can suggest that I would change about it is the packaging. Make sure you guys add the lash style name on the box. That is a big deal because I don't know what lash I'm wearing, and sometimes I can't hop on my computer, you know, like if I'm talking to somebody, I want to be able to pull up the box or pull up whatever and be like, oh, I got on the Ola Jess lash, or I got on the Ola Taylor lash. Anyways, that's it. You guys did a great job with these lashes, and if you guys want to check out what lashes I'm talking about, make sure you guys head over to their website. I will put it in the description below, and check out what they got. Okay, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, and subscribe to my channel. Did you subscribe? Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you get a good notification when I upload the video tomorrow on my Boxycharm Luxe. Yeah, that's what we got going on this month. So I guess that's all for this video. I did forget to mention that I used the Wahala palette from Juvia's Place to create this eye look. If you guys want to see how I created something very similar to this, make sure you guys watch that video. I put the card right above for you guys to take a look at that video after you watch it. So of course, as I am picking up the box to take pictures for my thumbnail, what did I find? It was under everything, so this was packaged a little stupid. Anyways, this is the Sculpting Duo Brush. It is valued for $30. This is a $30 brush. I really don't like dual brushes because I won't be able to put it in my cup, so I have to put it this way for sanitary reasons, but it is slanted, perfect for a cream contour. It's kind of dense, and then this side is good to brush away any loose powders or even go in with some eyeshadow for the under eye or anything like that. I guess I will be testing this out for tomorrow's video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that.